Hello, everyone, and welcome to yet another review of another one of the best sold book all around the world. So, in today's video, we are going to review and summarize the book titled How to Win Friends and Influence People. This book is written by Dale Carnegie. This book has been bestseller for over 80 years and has impacted millions of people worldwide. So in this video, I will be discussing the key takeaways from the book and how it can help you improve your relationships and communication skills. Hence, this book has been divided into various sections, and in today's video, we will look into the different sections one by one. So let's jump into the section 1. The first section of the book focuses on fundamental techniques in handling people. The author, Carnegie, emphasizes the importance of avoiding criticism, showing appreciation, and being empathetic. He stresses that criticism rarely works and that people are more likely to respond positively to sincere appreciation. Furthermore, by putting yourself in the other person's shoe, you can better understand their perspective and communicate very effectively. In the second section of the book, the author discusses 6 ways to make people like you. So there are 6 ways. If you follow these 6 ways, people will start liking you. The first way is to become genuinely interested in other people. This means taking a genuine interest in their hobbies, their work, and their personal lives. The second way the author told is that the second way is to smile, which author describes as a universal language. The third way is to remember and use people's name, which is a sign of respect and helps to build relationships. The fourth way is to be a good listener, which involves giving the other person your full attention and showing interest in what they have to say. The fifth way is to talk in terms of the other person's interests, which means tailoring your conversations to their interests and priorities. And the sixth way is to make the other person feel important, which involves acknowledging their accomplishments and making them feel valued. In the next section, which is the third section of the book, this section focuses on how to win people to your way of thinking. The author argues that the best way to do this is through persuasion, not the force. He advises using logic, emphasizing the benefits and avoiding arguments. He also suggests admitting your mistakes, avoiding the direct confrontations, and encouraging others to talk about their own mistakes. In the next section, which is the fourth section and the final section, in the final section of the book discusses how to be a leader and change people without giving offense. The author explains that the key to effective leadership is to focus on the other person's interests, providing praise and appreciation, give clear directions, and admit your own mistakes. He also stresses the importance of encouraging others to take initiatives and assume responsibilities. So these were the 4 sections which we have discussed in this video about the book. Let's conclude the overview or review of the book. According to me, overall, the book How to Win Friends and Influence People is an excellent book that provides practical advice on how to improve your communication and leadership skills. The book's timeline principles are still relevant today and can help you succeed in both your personal and professional life. I highly recommend this book to anyone looking to improve their relationships and become a more effective leader. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you found this review helpful. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews of more books. So in next video we will review yet another book. Till then, goodbye. See you guys in next video.